Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your Replit app into IPA app. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for Replit and then sign into your account, and now go to published apps, choose the app that you want to convert to IPA, and then copy the domain, the link here, and then go to median.co. Open any browser and then search for median.co, and then paste your URL here and then press on build your app. Now all you need to do is name your app, for example clinic register or any relevant name. If you have already an account in median.co, you don't need to put your email. If you don't have an account, you need to put your email here, and then press on start building app. Now, as you can see here, iPhone, which is IPA in the simulator, and then go to build and download after it finishes building iOS. Now we go and press on build and download. You can see here iOS IPA, press on build. It will take few seconds, wait for it. Now, as you can see, you can download your IPA file, and that's it. The download will be successful, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.